Realme C2, another worthy contender from Realme. Let's check on this today. But before that, hey guys, I'm Avil back again with another video. This time it's about this Realme C2. In this video, I'm going to do a quick unboxing and I'll share with you guys my initial impression about this phone. And after this, we'll be comparing this phone with the other devices like Nokia 5.1 Plus, Redmi Note 7. So if you're new to my channel, to watch more videos on this device, do hit the subscribe button, and those who have already subscribed, a big thank you to all of you guys. So let's get started. Let's start with the unboxing first, quickly. Okay, so here it is, done. Now let's see what's there in the box. Obviously the phone would be there. Yeah. Oh, done. So at the top we have this box, little box here. Let's see what's there. Okay, some documentation, yeah, guide, user manual. So do let me know if you read these. I don't think anyone actually reads these documents. Okay, if you do let me know in the comment section. Now this is the phone itself. Okay, yeah. So this is the phone. Let it give aside and we'll check what is the use of this. I don't know. Okay, so what the things that we get inside the box? Yes, this is the charger. Okay, here you can see it is a 5-volt 2 ampere. Yeah, so it's not a quick charger, it's a slow charger, but yes, you're paying just 8,000, so what you can expect, right? This is the charging cable. It's a USB. Let's see. Yeah, it's not a USB type C. Okay, normal USB. Okay, so that's it. Yeah, these are the things that you get inside the box. This is the charger and this is the charging cable. The quality looks good, and this is the first Realme device that I'm unboxing, and I'm impressed, honestly. Okay, so these are the things that you get inside the box, and let's see what else there inside this box. Apart from the documentation, there should be a oh, there is no SIM ejector tool. Okay, it's there. Where is it? Where is it? Oh, it's hidden here. Okay, so yes, we have it. It's necessary. Okay, now let's check on the phone itself. Okay, so only the charger and the charging cable, and this is the SIM tool ejector. Okay, so let's check the phone itself. This is the first Realme device that I'm checking on, and I'm really excited, honestly. So here is the device. Here you can see that I have this blue diamond cut color, and it is looking good. Yeah, this is polycarbonate obviously, and this front is Gorilla Glass 3, if I'm not wrong, and it appears that they have already applied one screen protector here, and that's good, and I'm not going to remove it. That's fine, we can use it along with it. Now let me give you the physical overview. As I said, the in-hand feel is really good, and yes, on the left side you have this volume rockers. This is the SIM tray, and this one is the volume, no, this is the power button. On the top we have nothing. Okay, and as I said, it is really giving me a really good feel in my hand, because the size is 6.1 inch. The screen size is 6.1 inch, but still it is actually compact, I believe. Okay, the design ratio is, initially I'm liking it. Okay, and as I told you, this texture is giving a really good look, and it is not looking cheap. That's a good thing. Okay, and as I told you, this is having the 6.1 inch display, so we'll be checking on the display quality, and I will actually compare this one with the Nokia 5.1 Plus, because both of them come with HD plus resolution. Okay, so in terms of build quality, I'm impressed. So let me actually set it up, and after that I'll give you my further opinion. Okay, so before I set it up, let me give you the quick specs. This Realme C2 comes with 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage, which can be increased to 256 GB, and it is having this 6.1-inch HD plus display, and it comes with dual camera setup. The main one is 13 megapixel and 2 megapixel. The apertures are 2.2 and 2.4 respectively. Okay, and this front camera comes with 5 megapixel and the aperture is 2.0, and it has this VoLTE support, dual VoLTE support, and the color OS version is 6, and it is having 4000 mAh battery. That's a plus point. As I said, it is in-hand feel is really good. The weight is just 166 gram. Okay, so let me set it up first. So guys, the setup is done. Here you can see that this is the default theme and look that we get out of the box on this device. Here you can see that this dewdrop notch is looking really good, and the edges are also really good, and the bezels are not that significantly large, and because of this 19:9 9 ratio, it's really good. Okay, now let me show you the default version of this device, as it comes with this Realme's own custom UI. This is the version is color OS 6 and Android version is 9. So out of the box you're getting Android 9. Okay, and I have this 3 GB of RAM version. Device storage, out of 32 GB we have 21.2 GB available. That's good. Now let me show you the general user interface here. The user interface is really responsive. There is no problem. I haven't observed any lag yet, and yes, there are certain pre-installed apps, as it is not a stock Android device, but luckily, let me check first whether we can uninstall it or not. Yes, great, we can do that. So obviously, as I told you, it is not a stock Android device, so there will be some pre-install apps, bloatwares we can call them. Okay, but you can uninstall those, so there is no problem. Let's do this one. Yeah, that can be done. Okay, so initial impression is that in terms of the build quality, as I told you, it's really good. The design is looking really compact, and one thing I'd like to tell you that it is not having any dedicated fingerprint sensor, but it is having the face unlock. Let me show you. Oh, how good is it? Okay, here you can see that it unlocks really quick. Okay, now let me do it again. Yeah, it's really fast. Now let me show you again. I'm not looking at it now, suppose. So it is searching for my face. Now if I show it, it works really fast. So the face unlock is actually really optimized and it is working really fast. And honestly, most of the people actually use their phone, the screen lock with the password. So even if it is not a deal breaker, I would say. Okay, but the face unlock is working really fast. It is far better than the Nokia 4.2. I have tried it on that and it was terrible, too slow. Okay, and next thing is the display. The display is looking really good, and I believe that it is brighter than this. Let me show you this one. Okay, this Nokia. Let's increase the brightness. Here again. Okay, here. So here you can see that it is having a really brighter display. Yeah, there is no doubt about it. I was thinking of comparing these two, and now I don't think there is any comparison. Let's play one video to give you a better idea. Okay, so let's check the picture quality here of both these devices. Okay, let's watch this video and it will give us some idea about the picture quality. Here, this is the Realme C2. Okay, it is having a larger display. That is one advantage that it is having, but in terms of detail, I think both are almost same. Here you can see this one. Okay, and let's check this one. almost same. Do let me know in the comment section according to you which one is better. But in terms of brightness, this one is brighter compared to this Nokia 5.1 Plus. Do let me know your opinion. Okay. Now let's check the volume. Okay. How to enhance one-handed audio stock. This is the maximum volume that you get, and this is the this is the speaker. So this is the maximum volume that you can get out of this, and it is quite loud enough. And the volume brokers are really tactile, really good, really good. Okay, now let's jump on to the camera. Okay, and before that, let me tell you certain things that I liked about this OS, means this custom UI. There are certain things that we, the stock users, are actually looking for, or we can say we miss those things. Like this is having this clone apps. Okay, this is one thing which we really want. Then another thing that came to the stock Android devices accidentally, this one, the home screen and lock screen magazine. It came to some of the users after the I believe it was after the Feb update to some of the Nokia 6.1 Plus and 7 Plus users, but that is not working. Here you have this magazine option. What is it actually? Let me show you. When you turn on the screen, this lock screen wallpaper changes automatically. That is the magazine use of that option. Okay, so that is one thing I liked it about this device. And this one is again one thing. Here if you slide it like this, it gives you certain options, like you can have these quick access, like photos, camera, screenshots, screen recorder. Okay, the inbuilt recorder is there. That's a really good thing. Now let's talk about the camera. As I told you, it comes with this dual setup, 13 megapixel and 2 megapixel. Apertures are 2.2 and 2.4. The front camera is 5 megapixel. The aperture is 2.0. Okay, they haven't mentioned anything about the sensors used here, so we don't know. Let's check the quality. Okay, so this is the camera UI. Here you have this portrait, then photos, video. It can record up to, let's check, 720 and 1080. Okay, so that's good. Now what about the front camera? Okay, let's check. Yeah, it is looking good. Okay, so here you can see that you have this portrait mode also. You have this AI beautification. Yeah, I don't like this, so let's turn this off. So here you can see this is the front camera. Let's take one selfie. Yeah, it's quite quick. Okay, let me show you the quality. Yeah, it is looking fine, and the bokeh effect is also good. There is no doubt. I'm indoor, so that is really good. Now let's check the rear camera. Okay, let's check the shutter speed here. Okay, let's take this for portrait. Yeah, the shutter speed is really good. Okay, and it is having this 1x and 2x zoom. It is also good. Yeah, it works fine. So let me show you some samples of these cameras, and I'll be giving you my final initial, I would say, impression on this device. Let's start with the front 5 megapixel camera. It is doing good. Here you can see that without the portrait mode, the color reproduction is good. Here is the bokeh mode or the portrait mode. The edge detection is good, and yes, it is not looking that artificial. The color tone is natural, I believe, and here you can see outdoor also the color reproduction is really good, though it is not that sharp because the white balance is not that great. That's the reason that it is not looking that sharp, but yes, it is looking natural and it is not looking that artificial. The colors are really natural. And here we can see again, this is the HDR mode, and yes, today it is cloudy and raining. That's why you can see that the clouds are over there, and it is looking natural. The colors are really natural. That is one thing that I liked about this. Here again you can see the HDR mode is doing good. Here it is with the 2x zoom on the right side, and here you can see that it is good. Yeah, we don't have to complain about it. So guys, these are some samples from the cameras on this device, the rear camera and the front camera. The rear camera is doing really good. The only concern is that the live focus is not that fast, but we'll be checking on it again when we'll be doing the detailed comparison between our Realme Note 7 or Nokia 5.1 Plus very soon. So to watch those videos, do subscribe to my channel. So initially I can say that it is a really capable device with this really good design, and the build quality is also good, but I can say that it is at par with Nokia 5.1 Plus. Nokia 5.1 Plus has a really good build quality, but I am not saying that it is cheap or it is not having a really good build. It is a really well built device, particularly the design, in hand feel, the weight is really balanced, and this dewdrop notch is looking really good. And yes, the display in general is better than Nokia 5.1 Plus. Okay, that is what I have found initially. Yeah, so we'll be checking on everything very soon. The gaming, in general, the performance speed test, we'll be doing everything. But initially I can say that the 8,000 price tag is totally justifiable for this device. There is no doubt about it. So to watch more videos on this device, to hit the subscribe button and to share your opinion, to tell me what you want to see in the next video. So till the next video guys, cheers.